how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open the Amazon mobile application on your device. Over here, click on the three lines located in the bottom right corner of the app. After that, select the option called Amazon Pay. Then you will see the Amazon Pay balance section. Scroll down a little and here you'll find an option for digital gold. Over here, use your Amazon gift card balance to buy gold. After that, go to the sell gold option. Then you will see your gold balance. Sell the gold and the amount will be transferred to your bank account. So that's how you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. That's all for this video.